Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here bicyclic fused 5-member ring is given. You have to find the given compound will have how many number of signal in the proton NMR spectroscopy. Here the answer lies in the symmetry of the molecule. If you look at the molecule, it will be more symmetrical. It will have two kind of mirror plane which is across the C1 and A1. It will exactly reflect each other. The atoms on the reflection side will have same number of chemical shift. So the reflection on either side will produce similar atoms. So what really happened? They are magnetically equivalent. So if you look at it, it will have only 3 number of signal in the spectra. So the concept you have to learn here is more the symmetry, lesser number of signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.